Let's talk about 5 men who know your wife better than you. The work husband. Watch this.
What's up, girl? How your day been? Yeah. How was your weekend? What? He did what? He hurt. He ain't put his hands on you.
The work husband knows your wife better than you do. Okay? Most of you have women. You guys don't have money like that. She's not a helpmeet. You can't keep an eye on a woman 24 hours a day. So most women have to contribute to the household. Okay. You can't take her out on dates. We always talk about don't trick, right? We always try to encourage you to have game and try to manipulate the woman into paying for you, because we all know that when a woman parts with her money, when she invests her money, she spends money on you, she actually likes you. Okay. But the work husband, number 5, the work husband knows your wife, your better half, more than you.
Diddy, more. Tell me more. Oh yeah. I can't stand to see somebody hurting you. You a flower. You gotta blossom. What we doing for lunch? You hungry? I'm gonna go get you something. You wanna come?
This is why your woman, whenever she comes home, she's gaining weight. She doesn't want to eat because somebody's bringing her food. Somebody's buying her lunch. The next time your girlfriend suggests another restaurant, sometimes it's not always the woman. Perhaps the work husband has brought her some leftovers, has suggested for her to try something new, and now she wants to take your goofy ass to the new spot.
According to the Survey Center on American Life, 79% of married men are very satisfied with their relationship. But expectations have been stressful for men bearing the burden of performance to a woman's nature. Men have to protect and provide only to be replaced by a bigger, better deal. Patriarchy Poker will teach men how to be more confident, control their emotions, and know when to hold or fold with a woman they're in a committed relationship with. It's time to accept the beautiful lies and ugly truths, to become the man a woman can respect and other men want to be like. Go to patriarchypoker.com to get our committed relationship playing cards or relationship and dating playing cards. Because life's a gamble, so play like a man.